You want a clean, healthy, and green environment. We want it too. Therefore, we work on the best household, industrial, institutional, and vehicle cleaning solutions. Brenntag Home Care, Industrial and Institutional Cleaning. Our dedicated team of experts all around the world meets market challenges in the most innovative ways possible and offers value-added services customized to your needs. In our world-class Innovation and Application Center network, our technical specialists offer formulation and regulatory support, tailor-made solutions, as well as performance blends. All of this adapted to different market needs and based on our broad and specific product portfolio. We combine market expertise, passion, and many years of experience to develop sustainable solutions that meet future performance and environmental needs. But we offer even more: mixing, blending, repacking, and filling solutions. Our goal: being your innovative, safe, versatile, and sustainable solution provider. Our focus is to collaborate to jointly create a cleaner, healthier, and greener future for all. This is us, Brenntag's Global Home Care, Industrial, and Institutional Cleaning Team.